Recent medical research shows that 7 out of 10 seniors who follow these simple steps can significantly improve their bone health. Welcome to Seniors Health Companion. Today we're discussing osteoporosis, a condition that can affect your quality of life as you age. It's natural to worry about your health, but with the right guidance, you can take control and maintain strong, healthy bones. Let's explore the ways you can prevent and manage osteoporosis in your 60s and beyond. Osteoporosis is a condition where bones become brittle and fragile. Imagine bones like a honeycomb that becomes more porous over time. As you age, your body loses bone mass faster than it can replace it, increasing fracture risk. Understanding this process helps in taking proactive steps to combat it. By learning how your body changes, you can better align your lifestyle to support bone health, ensuring you stay active and independent longer. Let's move to recognizing the signs. Recognizing osteoporosis can be tricky as it's often a silent condition. Key signs include a loss in height, back pain, or fractures resulting from minor falls. Pay attention to these subtle changes. If you notice any, consult with your healthcare provider. Staying aware of your body helps catch warning signs early, allowing for timely intervention. Remember, self-awareness is your best ally in managing your health effectively. Let's examine how you can bolster your bones through nutrition. Nutrition plays a crucial role in maintaining bone health. Ensure a diet rich in calcium and vitamin D, such as dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified cereals. Eating at regular intervals supports nutrient absorption. Consider preparing meals that are simple yet nutritious, making it easier to maintain a balanced diet. If you have dietary restrictions, seek professional advice for suitable alternatives. Up next, we'll discuss safe physical activities that strengthen bones. Physical activity is essential for building and maintaining strong bones. Engage in weight-bearing exercises like brisk walking, dancing, or Tai Chi. If mobility is a concern, try chair exercises or water aerobics. Start slowly and listen to your body, gradually increasing intensity as your strength grows. Exercise not only fortifies your bones, but also enhances overall well-being. In our next segment, we'll cover the importance of medical monitoring. Regular checkups are vital in managing osteoporosis. Discuss bone density tests with your doctor to monitor progress. These tests help assess fracture risk and guide treatment options. Always consult with healthcare providers before starting new treatments or supplements. Establishing a collaborative relationship ensures personalized care tailored to your needs. Coming up, we'll explore how osteoporosis can affect mental and social well-being. Osteoporosis can impact mental health, leading to feelings of isolation or anxiety about falling. Maintain a positive mindset by staying connected with friends and family. Join senior groups or activities to foster a sense of community and purpose. Sharing experiences and encouraging each other is paramount. Keeping a journal can also help, providing an outlet for emotions and tracking progress. Finally, let's empower you with actionable steps. Congratulations on taking an important step toward healthier bones. Remember, even small changes can lead to significant improvements. Focus on balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and consistent medical care. Keep a positive outlook and maintain relationships that support your health journey. Believe in your ability to manage your well-being effectively. Consult with healthcare professionals for personalized guidance. Start today and embrace the benefits of proactive health management.